Hey, how are you?
I'm good, just worried.
Why? Any issues?
My manager just assigned me a data science project. Feeling a bit overwhelmed and not sure where to begin with.
No worries, Shri. I have been involved in numerous analytical projects and can definitely share some valuable tips. The crucial thing is steering clear of common mistakes that tend to occur.
Absolutely, please share. I really want to make sure I approach this project in the right way. What are the key mistakes I should be conscious about?
There are several pitfalls to navigate, but let me highlight the most significant ones.
Mistake number 1, not clearly defining the goal. Einstein once said, if I have an hour to solve a problem, I would spend 55 minutes thinking about the problem and 5 minutes thinking about the solution. So start by figuring out why you are solving the problem, not just how. Remember, every project starts with the why am I solving this problem rather than how do I solve this problem. Mistake number 2, ignoring data cleaning and pre-processing. Imagine if you have 5 kilos of tomatoes and you have to make tomato ketchup. What is the first thing that you would do? Well, you would start with washing and cleaning the tomatoes and separating the rotten ones. That is when you would be able to make good quality ketchup. Data is no different. Before you start concocting your data dish, you have to clean it up by handling missing values and removing outliers. Explore the data distribution and pre-process it as needed with techniques like normalization and far better results. Mistake number 3, overcomplicating the modeling. Imagine you decide to bake a cake for the first time. Instead of starting with a basic recipe, you go all out, attempting a 5-tier masterpiece with intricate decorations. The result, a disaster. The same goes with modeling. Choose a simple benchmark model first, then gradually experiment with more advanced algorithms. Jumping straight into fancy neural nets is like attempting that complex cake on your first try, likely to end in overfitting without proper cross-validation. Build model complexity gradually for better outcomes. Mistake number 4, not communicating insights. Imagine you design an incredibly fuel-efficient, high-speed car that you believe could revolutionize the auto industry. However, you fail to clearly convey your vision to potential investors and manufacturers. Despite advanced drawings and specifications, you struggle to capture their interest because you rely heavily on technical jargon they don't grasp. Similarly, in data science projects, just making good predictions or finding patterns in data misses the point if you can't explain what it means in simple words. Complex analysis doesn't create change if people cannot understand it. Lots of numbers, charts, and technical details fail to convince if they seem confusing. So learn to present your work clearly. Help people focus on how your data answers key questions. Replace heavy data talk with easy-to-grasp ideas. Say when results seem misleading. Help them see what to do next. Mistake number 5, ignoring potential bias. Imagine a facial recognition system that thinks everyone looks the same. Not cool, right? Always check for biases in your data and models. Don't make predictions that are off just because of some hidden bias. Avoid these common data science project pitfalls and you will be on the path to creating high-impact projects. What question do you have? Ask below and be sure to like and subscribe to Odin School.
Just avoid these common mistakes to create more effective projects to build your skills and portfolio.
Thank you so much for these insights. I make sure to avoid these mistakes.